Alright folks, here we go again with another beautiful 2015 Dodge Charger police pursuit vehicle, 5.7 HEMI with only 116,000 miles. Former slicked up highway patrol vehicle, bright white from factory. Vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape, has been fully serviced in detail, and it is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country. Folks, as you can see, vehicle does have tinted windows from the department. It appears to be a dark shade on the back, medium shade on the front. These vehicles in immaculate running condition, bright white from factory. You can see this car coming a mile away. And let me tell you, it does demand respect on the highway. Vehicle has been fully serviced, so she is turnkey ready. This is gonna be an all-wheel drive Charger RT 5.7. Once again, former highway patrol vehicle. It does have all the bells and whistles you need to be out there on the highway. You can use it for work or as a family car. That will be totally up to you. Vehicle looks great. It's got about maybe 3 door dings. Very light scratches. They're hardly noticeable because the car is white, so it hides everything. Okay. Folks, as you can see, when I first got the car, it came with the full wheel covers. I kind of took those off because I don't like the ones that came on the 2015. So I went to Dodge and bought the brand new lug nuts and brand new dog dishes. The center chrome cap. I don't think I'm making any sense today, but here she is. I do have one little ding right here, guys. You can see it right there. This is a nice looking highway patrol vehicle. Once again, slick top. This was a take-home vehicle by to the officer that was assigned to it. No holes on the roof. I do have one hole on the trunk lid where that antenna is. Just so you guys know, it's not going anywhere. So this is the actual antenna. It's not up, it's just there for looks. Gorgeous steel wheels, guys. Gorgeous steel wheels. I kind of reconditioned this ones to look new. So there you guys have it. Let's go inside. I need to hurry up because I got another car to work on right now. Folks, as you can see, I do have a matching interior. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Matching rear seat. Carpeting floor with matching original equipment floor mats. My goodness, what else can you ask for? Matching floor mats. Driver's side seat is in good shape. One little tear right there, but nothing major to worry about, and a little one over there. But once again, the seat is still solid. I'm guessing that's where the gun was or something from the belt, equipment belt. Passenger side seat is just in new condition. I don't think nobody ever sat there. So is the floorboard. Before I forget, this vehicle came with 3 key fobs. Let me clean this up here for you guys. 3 key fobs, they're all working, so this goes with the car. Let's go ahead and fire her up.
Our radio stations, our podcast, and the iHeartRadio app to give you the opportunity to answer one simple question. Why I'm voting. Hey, I'm Billie Eilish.
Folks, everything in the vehicle works. It's in immaculate running condition. Super sharp. I mean, I couldn't ask for more. Honk works. Stereo does work. Everything is touchscreen on the screen, so everything is there. This vehicle does have Bluetooth also, just so you guys know. Vehicle does have Bluetooth. Let me clean this up. All you have to do is activate your phone, and if I'm not mistaken, it's also voice activated. Pressure lights are up. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Digital screen. 116,000 miles, guys. There you have it. Working spotlight. Working red LED. Working white LED. Let's go to the trunk real quick. Show you what we got to work with. Just clean this up here. Blah, blah, blah. This is the trunk. It does have a brand new donut. Batteries there. Everything is in working order. She's completely safe to drive. Let's go ahead and close these up. Oh, before I forget, this is E85 okay, so flex fuel is okay for this engine. RT model. I'll clean this up here for you guys. RT model. All-wheel drive. So let me tell you, this is a little rocket here, folks. Starting, well, let me backtrack here. The engine has been completely detailed by my detail crew here. Starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. I do have 16 NGK spark plugs in this engine. Once again, brand new NGK Iridium spark plugs, 16 of them. So it's 2 per cylinder, full synthetic oil change. Transmission has been serviced. I used Mopar ATF plus 4 fluid and filter. Mopar products for this transmission, nothing else. Cold AC, beautiful. From the department, the vehicle appears to have a new new drive belt, new water pump. Cabin filter was replaced by the department, so I went ahead and had that checked out. And it looks good, so I didn't replace it, guys. I left that alone. It is still good. It wasn't even dirty. Let's get a close up here. No noises, no nothing, no ticking noise. I know the Chargers, a lot of people ask, hey, it's a ticking. No, this vehicle is not ticking. Whoever was assigned to this vehicle, they did an outstanding job taking care of it. I saw it, fell in love with it, and I bought it. So here she is, ready to go to her new home. Folks, I'm going on my 9 minutes here, so I gotta go. One last final look here. 2015 Dodge Charger Police Pursuit Vehicle, 5.7 HEMI, former Slick Top Highway Patrol. Folks, I do have the title on hand. I do have the maintenance history from beginning to end for this particular car. If you're in the market looking for a nice, super sharp family vehicle, or maybe for work, or who knows, I don't know what your project might be, I have just a car here for you. Any questions, comments, you're interested in buying this vehicle, please feel free to inquire within. Send me an email and we'll go from there. And open to serious, reasonable offers. And please remember, I'm not here to waste your time. So please do the same for me. I will appreciate that a lot. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have a blessed weekend. Thank you very much. Here you go. I can't seem to leave this one alone, guys. Anyway, I gotta go, guys. God bless. Have a great weekend out there. Be safe. Thank you.